Want to become an AI engineer in 2025, even if you're starting from zero? In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step roadmap to go from beginner to job-ready in just a few months. We'll cover the must-have skills, the real-world projects that get you hired, and how to build a portfolio, GitHub, LinkedIn, and resume that land interviews at top companies. And the best part? You can join our free AI masterclass to work on hands-on projects, prepare for interviews, build an ATS-ready resume, and get job placement support, all with guidance from industry experts. Let's start by clearing up a common myth. An AI engineer isn't just a data scientist or a coder. It's someone who builds and deploys real-world intelligent systems that solve business problems. You'll work with tools like Python, PyTorch, TensorFlow, LangChain, Hugging Face, and FastAPI, and learn how to connect them into powerful AI pipelines. But before you dive deep, you need two key things: a specialization like NLP, computer vision, MLOps, or generative AI. A capstone project, something practical that solves a real problem. Step 1. Master your foundations. Start with Python. Focus on data handling, object-oriented programming, and APIs. Then learn the essential math, linear algebra, probability, and statistics, just enough to understand how models learn. Next, build strong data engineering skills. Tools like Pandas, Polars, and Parquet will be your daily drivers for data manipulation and pipelines. And don't skip visualization. Master Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly to turn raw data into powerful, story-driven insights that businesses care about. Step 2. Core machine learning. Learn the key algorithms, both supervised and unsupervised, and understand how to choose the right model for the job. Avoid common interview killers like data leakage and learn proper feature engineering, evaluation metrics like F1, ROCAUC, and MSE, and how to deploy simple models using FastAPI or Bento ML. Pro tip: companies don't hire you for knowing 100 algorithms. They hire you for solving problems end to end. Step 3. Deep learning. Start with neural networks. Move to CNNs for image tasks, RNNs for sequential data, and finally, transformers, the architecture behind ChatGPT and modern LLMs. Learn how to fine-tune models with LoRa, QLoRa. Build RAG pipelines to connect them with real data, and track experiments using MLflow or weights and biases. You'll also explore advanced techniques like mixed precision training for faster, cheaper training runs. Step 4. Choose your specialization and go deep. NLP and LLMs. Build chatbots, summarizers, and question answering systems. Computer vision. Create image classification, segmentation, or OCR solutions. MLOps. Automate deployment with Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD pipelines. AI agents. Design autonomous systems that plan, reason, and act. And don't forget your 2025 super skill, prompt engineering. Learn to design high-impact prompts and integrate models using OpenAI, Gemini, or Hugging Face APIs. Then, supercharge your apps by connecting LLMs to live data using LangChain or Llama Index, and build your own ChatGPT-style applications from scratch. Step 5. Build real-world projects. This is what employers care about most. Use Streamlit or Gradio to build interactive front ends, and deploy your apps on Render, Hugging Face Spaces, or cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, and Azure. Create at least 2 end-to-end projects from data collection to deployment. Then, showcase them on GitHub with clear Radmus, demo videos, and LinkedIn posts. Remember, employers don't just hire skills, they hire proof of skills. Step 6. Interview and career prep. Learn how to design AI systems on a whiteboard. Discuss trade-offs like accuracy versus latency or cost versus scalability, and master behavioral interview questions. We'll help you create an ATS-optimized resume, grow your LinkedIn and GitHub presence, and prepare through mock interviews so you walk into every interview job-ready and confident. Top companies hiring in 2025 include Google, OpenAI, Amazon, NVIDIA, Hugging Face, and Anthropic. In-demand roles: AI engineer, $120,000 to $250,000. ML engineer, $110,000 to $200,000. LLM developer, $130,000 to $250,000. MLOps Specialist, $115,000 to $200,000. You now know the roadmap, and the fastest way to follow it is by taking action. Join our free AI masterclass today to work on real-world projects, build a professional GitHub portfolio, create an ATS-ready resume, ace mock interviews, get job placement support. Plus, grab your free AI starter pack with data cleaning scripts, a FastAPI boilerplate, and a full deployment guide. Comment which specialization you want to master: NLP, computer vision, MLOps, and I'll reply with a hands-on project idea to kickstart your journey.